In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange bullet points side by side in Google Docs. If you've ever tried to get your bullet points to sit neatly next to each other, you might have noticed it's not as simple as it sounds. But don't worry, the method I'm about to show you is straightforward and effective, letting you achieve that clean, organized look in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, take your document with the bullet points you want to arrange side by side. At the end of your bullet list, press Enter a few times. This step gives us some room to work with and sets the stage for what comes next. Now head over to the top of your screen and find the Insert menu. Click on it, then scroll down to Table. From the options that appear, choose a 2x1 table. This selection will automatically insert a table with 2 columns into your document. With the table now in place, it's time to move your bullet points into it. Let's begin with the first half of your list. Highlight these bullet points with your cursor, ensuring you've selected exactly what you want to move. Once highlighted, right-click and choose Cut. Now click into the left cell of your new table and paste your highlighted points right there. Easy, right? Now repeat this process with the remaining bullet points, cutting them from the original list and pasting them into the right cell of the table. Now that both halves of your bullet points are snugly sitting in their new home, it's time to tidy up. Click anywhere on your table to ensure it's active, then look for the small arrow that appears in the top right corner of the table. Click on that arrow and a menu will pop up. From there, navigate to Format, then Table, and finally Table Properties. This is where we polish things up a bit more. Scroll down to find the Color section. You have a couple of options here. Firstly, you can set the table's background color to white, blending it seamlessly with your document. Alternatively, if you prefer not to see the table lines at all, you can remove the borders by changing the table border setting from 1 point to 0. And there you have it. Your bullet points are now neatly displayed side by side in a table, giving your document a more sophisticated look. I hope this short tutorial was both helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing your Google Docs.